All right, and number 25, decide whether we have enough information to use the hypotenuse leg congruence theorem. The hypotenuse leg congruence theorem says for two right triangles, if the hypotenuse and leg of one of them is congruent to the hypotenuse and leg of the other, then they are congruent triangles. So in this picture, using the reflexive property, this is the hypotenuse of the triangle on the left, and it is congruent to the hypotenuse of the triangle on the bottom right. What about the legs? Well, segment WX, this side, is congruent to segment ZY, this side. So there's a pair of legs. So in these two right triangles, the hypotenuses are congruent and the legs are congruent. Therefore, yes, we do have enough information to use the hypotenuse leg theorem to prove that the triangles are congruent. And here's what the proof would look like. So first, segment WX and segment YZ with these red tick marks, they are congruent, and the triangles are a right triangle. Those two pieces of information are given. Next, hypotenuse is ZX, it's the yellow segment, and ZX, the yellow segment, considered once for the left triangle, considered twice for the right triangle. They're congruent, that's the reflexive property. And so now we have congruent hypotenuses and congruent legs, and therefore the triangles are congruent. And the reason, the hypotenuse leg congruence theorem. That's how we do number 25.